Hey guys, this is my 45th episode, and my cold feels better right now. Yesterday I felt really lightheaded, so now I just feel much better. I don't feel lightheaded anymore. My head doesn't feel weird anymore, and I just feel way better than before, so all I have now is a scratchy throat, but even that feels much better than before. So I'm probably gonna feel way better tomorrow. The only thing is my nose is randomly runny. I just walked downstairs, got my tablet set up for filming, and then runny nose happened. So all I have now is coughing and runny nose. And today I'm going to talk about something different. Unfortunately, I don't really have any background or visuals, so I just wanted to show you something in the background just because I don't really have much to show you guys. But anyways, I found out about this expo called, see if my tablet will focus. Okay, it's called Unplugged. A weekend of awesome. So it's an expo that happens in Toronto. Here is the time, dates. It happens in 2 days. So it happens this Saturday and this Sunday. Unfortunately, I won't make this Sunday because what happens is sometimes I plan with my friend Jeannie from church, and I plan going to different locations in Toronto with her. Like, last time we went to a maid cafe, Uncle Tetsu's Angel Cafe, and just in an escape game place. And it's a place where they have like different puzzles you solve in rooms, and there's like a few rooms you can go through, and you just keep solving puzzles to go through and unlock the other rooms, and so that way you can get out. And there are different levels of difficulty. We tried the easy one because my family has personally never played those types of games, and they were really fun. I plan to go learn biking with her because she knows how to bike, but I don't know how to, because when I was really young, I was supposed to learn biking because my dad would always buy bicycles for us, but what happened was, I guess ever since grade 5, my dad didn't have time to teach me anything, so he just didn't teach me how to bike. And so that's why I don't know how to bike, and my brother doesn't know how to bike. Technically, I would love to learn how to bike, even though I'm kind of afraid because, to be honest, my balance isn't the best unless I'm on my own feet. I used to know how to rollerblade because my mom taught me. Oh, she always looked after me, and my dad would always hold my hand. And sometimes I just went by myself while my mom was watching, but the thing is, now I don't remember how to because it's been so long, and honestly, I can't remember the last time I ever rollerbladed, so I do have rollerblades that fit me. I just don't use them because I have balancing problems now. Anyways, that's what I'm doing on Sunday. On Saturday, I will be going to this event. Now, for those of you who know who I am cosplaying as, it will be Celty. I'll post a Celty picture on my Facebook, so if any of you see that version and know my YouTube channel, you can definitely say hi. I know only a few people watch my channel, so yeah. So there's a lot of YTV. There's a lot of things coming, like YTV is coming. Let me scroll. This guy, he was Prince Zuko from Avatar. He was in Legend of Korra. And he was in... Unfortunately, I did not watch that show when growing up, so I don't know what that show is. I might have seen it before, but I just don't remember. But yeah, he's coming. And then Masters of Cosplay is actually, they select 4 people who actually cosplay for, like, career and stuff, like professional cosplayers, and they give them, like, a month or 2 to come up with their own cosplay ideas, and what happens is they select out of all of those 4, and they have, like, I guess you can vote who wins, but I'm not sure about that process. But anyways, there's 4 professional cosplayers, so I usually don't join contests like that because I'm not technically professional, as you will say. Also, these are for really advanced cosplayers. It's not something. And then there will be a live concert in Japan. Even sorry. Anyways, it's from Party A Go Go, which is, I think, a Japanese music. A new type of Japanese music, so if you go there, it will be like... So if you go to the expo, it will be like, a premiere of it. Like, if you watch a premiere of a movie, that's what it's like. Sorry, guys. Now, I'll tell you about the tickets, because... So if you go down, adults are $35, and children are $10, but keep in mind that online is only for 2 days. If you really want one day like me, you have to actually go by yourself in person on the day of, so that's what I'm gonna do. But Jeannie lives closer, so I'm gonna get her to buy the tickets before we come over, because technically, if I live in Mississauga, so that's an hour drive, and I know my dad will wake up late, so probably what will happen is he'll wake up late, and then we'll need breakfast, and then he'll order breakfast, but the thing is, we'll be eating in the car, and that's not a problem to me, but the time to order breakfast may be long, because a lot of people like to eat at McDonald's and Tim Hortons for breakfast a lot. So you'll be in the drive-thru for a long time, and then it takes an hour to go to Toronto. And depending on traffic too, and the highway you take, and a lot of the times I don't personally like doing that type of thing, but they made it that way, so I hope they have enough tickets for everyone, even if we come pretty late. Like Fan Expo, I know, they have some day tickets like that, but you can mostly order online, but if you miss it, you can order from in person the day of, and my problem is with that is that they run out, so you're basically waiting in line for a long time, and if they don't have enough, you basically have waited for nothing. So that's why it's kind of, I don't really like that system. I prefer the online buying system, so you can just print them out and go, and then everything is fine. Unfortunately, that's not how this one works, so hopefully they have enough tickets, and hopefully it's not like Fan Expo where they run out. So, clicked the wrong one. Sorry. Well, technically, I'll be checking that one out by myself later because I'm bringing a scythe, so I don't know if they have a weapons check for that. I don't know how big this expo is, to be honest, so if anything, like, I'm kind of worried about how many people will actually cosplay, because I know 2 girls in my school went there before, and I know they love cosplaying too. They buy their outfits online and they cosplay like that. So I'm assuming that there will be a lot of people cosplaying like in Fan Expo. If not, I'd feel kind of awkward. So that's just all I wanted to talk about in this episode. Sorry I had nothing to really show you guys except for that. I was supposed to do my Pokemon card episode. I think I will show you. I will upload it at the same time as I upload this. So that's all for this video. Bye.